Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data using Snowpipe for near real-time loading. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start transferring data using Snowpipe for near real-time loading, ensure you have access to your Snowflake account and the necessary privileges. First, log in to your Snowflake console. Once you are logged in, navigate to the database where you want to load your data. Create a staging area in your desired database to hold the data before it's loaded into your target table. You can do this by using the create stage command. Next, upload your data files to the staging area. Make sure your data files are in formats supported by Snowpipe, such as CSV or JSON. Once your data is in the staging area, it's time to set up a Snowpipe to automate the loading process. To create a Snowpipe, use the create pipe command within your SQL interface. Define the source data location by referencing the staging area you just created. Specify the target table where the data will be loaded. Add any necessary file format options to ensure the data is loaded correctly. Once your pipe is created, you can test if it works by sending a sample file to the staging area. Use the copy into command to manually trigger the Snowpipe and check if data loads correctly into the target table. To set up automated loading, configure an integration with your cloud storage service. You can do this using event notifications to trigger Snowpipe automatically when new files arrive in the staging area. Ensure that your cloud storage service is appropriately configured to send events. After setting up the integration, monitor the status of your Snowpipe to confirm it is running smoothly. You can view the loading history and any errors via the Snowflake console. Keep in mind that Snowpipe loads data continuously, ensuring near real-time data availability for analysis. With these steps, you can efficiently transfer data using Snowpipe for near real-time loading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.